Ever wondered how many phones you can connect to your Ooma phone system? It's a question that often pops up, especially for those with large households or businesses. Let's dive in and find out the answer. Understanding Ooma. What is Ooma? Before we delve into the number of phones, let's quickly recap what Ooma is. Ooma is a VoIP voice over Internet Protocol phone system that replaces traditional landline phones. It offers a range of features like call forwarding, voicemail, and even video calling. Factors affecting phone connections. Ooma base station. The number of phones you can connect to Ooma primarily depends on your Ooma base station. Each base station has a specific capacity. Ooma Telo. If you're using the Ooma Telo, it typically supports multiple phones. The exact number can vary depending on the model. Ooma Office. For businesses, the Ooma Office system can handle a larger number of phones, making it ideal for offices and call centers. Connecting multiple phones. Basic setup. Connecting additional phones to Ooma is generally straightforward. You'll often need to plug the phone into the base station or use a dedicated adapter. DECT phones. Many modern cordless phones use DECT technology. These phones can be easily paired with Ooma base stations. Analog phones. If you have older analog phones, you might need a special adapter to connect them to Ooma. Ooma's capacity limits. Residential use. For most residential users, connecting a few phones to Ooma should be sufficient. The exact limit will depend on your specific Ooma device. Business use. Businesses with larger call volumes might need to explore options like Ooma Office or consider additional base stations. Network congestion. It's important to note that network congestion can occasionally affect call quality, especially during peak usage times. Tips for optimal performance. Quality of service. Ensure you have a high-speed internet connection to guarantee optimal call quality. Placement of base station. Place your Ooma base station in a central location to minimize interference. Regular maintenance. Keep your Ooma system updated with the latest firmware to enjoy the best performance. So, how many phones can you connect to Ooma? The answer depends on your specific Ooma device and your network conditions. While most residential users can comfortably connect multiple phones, businesses might need to consider larger capacity solutions. If you're interested in learning more about Ooma or have specific questions about your setup, feel free to leave a comment below. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.